So putting n equal to 0 in the Jacobi's method, we have first approximation of the solution, that is u11, u21, u31, u41 by all these equations. So u11 is 1125, u21 is 719, u31 is 969, u41 is 375. That is first approximation of the u1, u2, u3, u4. That is temperature at u1 is 1125, approximate temperature at u2 is 719, approximate temperature at u3 is 969, approximate first approximated temperature at u4 is 375. First approximated temperature at u1 1125, first approximated temperature at u2 is 719, first approximated temperature at u3 is 969, first approximated temperature at u4 is 375. This is by n equal to 0. Similarly, putting n equal to 1 in the system, in the Jacobi's method, okay, on both sides we put n equal to 1. Putting n equal to 1, we have second approximation of the solution. So u12 n equal to 1, so 1 by 4 of 2000 plus u21 plus and so on. We have u22, u32, u42. Okay, so substituting these values from previous values and simplifying, we have 1172, 750, 1000, 422, and here it is clear. We substitute. You can follow with the Jacobi's method of equations. Okay, you simply go on substituting n values and using the values, known values, you can estimate the temperatures at different points. Okay, so this is by n equal to 1. Similarly, by n equal to 2, we have third approximation of the solution. Putting n equal to 2 in this, substituting, simplifying, we have third approximation of the temperature at u1 is 1188, third approximation of the temperature at u2 774, we'll get 774, third approximation of the temperature at u3 will get 1024, third approximation of the temperature at u4 will get 438. Similarly, putting n equal to 3 in the system, putting n equal to 3 in this, in all of this, substituting, simplifying, we have u14 1200, u24 782, u34 1032, u44 450. Putting n equal to 4 in the Jacobi's method, putting n equal to 4 in this, we have fifth approximation of the solution. Fifth approximated temperature at u1 1204, fifth approximated temperature at u2 788, fifth approximated temperature at u3 1038, fifth approximated temperature at u4 454. Next, putting, and we continue the process till we do not find any difference between two approximations. In fourth approximation, we have 1200, in this we have 1204, in this we have 782, in this we have 788, in this we have 1032, in this we have 1038, in this we have 450, in this we have 454. So that means there is error in the two approximations. We continue the process till we do not find any difference between two approximations. Okay, so 1204, 788, 1038, 450. We continue. We put n equal to 5 in the Jacobi's method. Putting n equal to 5 in the Jacobi's method, we have sixth approximation of the solutions. Sixth approximated temperature at u1 1206.5, sixth approximated temperature at u2 790, sixth approximated temperature at u3 1040, sixth approximated temperature at u4 456. So there is a small difference between fifth approximation and sixth approximation. So to get more accurate values, we continue to calculate the values. We put n equal to 6. We put n equal to 6 in the Jacobi's system. So putting n equal to 6 in this, we have 7th approximated solution. 7th approximated temperature at U1 1208, 7th approximated temperature at U2 791, 7th approximated temperature at U3 1041, 7th approximated temperature at U4 458. Putting n equal to 7 in the Jacobi's system, we have 8th solution. So U1 1208, U2 791, U3 1041, U4 458. So they are almost same. 7th and 8th approximations are almost same with negligibly small error. So therefore, temperature at U1 is 1208, temperature at U2 791.5, temperature at U3 1041, temperature at U4 458. So this is how we calculate the values of U1, U2, U3, U4 by Jacobi's method. And next, by Gauss-Seidel method. Same problem by Gauss-Seidel method. Gauss-Seidel method is n plus 1th iterative of U1 is equal to 1 by 4 of 2000 plus U2n plus 1000 plus U3n. That is, by diagram, n plus 1th iterative U1 is equal to 2000 plus U2n plus 1000 plus U3n is what is written here. Next, n plus 1th iterative of U2 is equal to 1 by 4 of U1n plus 500 plus 1000. That is, by diagram, U2n plus 1 is equal to U1n plus 500 plus 1000 plus U4n. U3n plus 1, that means n plus 1th iterative of U3 is equal to 1 by 4 of, that means U3 by 2000 plus U4n plus U1n plus 500, that is by neighboring points. Okay, so lastly U4n plus 1 is equal to 1 by 4. U4 is this, U3n plus 0 plus U2n plus 0 is written here. In this also you follow the same procedure. You go on putting n values, n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on, till you do not find any difference between two approximations. Okay, so with that we have for n equal to 0. So this is Gauss-Seidel method, Gauss-Seidel system of equations. In this you go on putting n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Putting n equal to 0 in this, we have U11 is equal to 1 by 4 2000 plus U2 naught plus 1000 plus U3 naught, and U2 naught is 625 and U3 naught is 875 from the initial values. Substituting and simplifying, we have 1125. And U21, putting n equal to 0 in this, we have U11 plus 500 plus 1000 plus U4 naught, n equal to 0, U4 naught. Substituting for U11, what is U11? U11 is 1125 is used here, plus 500 plus 1000 plus U4 naught from initial values 375. Substituting and simplifying, we have 750. U31, putting n equal to 0 in this, 2000 plus U4 naught plus U11, n equal to 0, U11 plus 500. Okay, so 2000 plus 375 plus 1125 plus 500 whole divided by 4 is equal to 1000. U41, substituting n equal to 0 in this, U41 is equal to 1 by 4 of U31 plus 0 plus U21, n equal to 0 plus 0, and U31 is 1000 plus U21 is 750. So this plus this whole divided by 4 is equal to 438. So similarly, n equal to n equal to 1, n equal to 1, n equal to 1 in the Gauss-Seidel system of equations. In this you put n equal to 1. Putting n equal to 1, you have this u1 2, u2 2, u3 2, u4 2, no, and substituting the previous values in u1 2. Okay, so by these equations, okay, substituting u2 1 and u3 1 from previous values, simplifying, we have 1188. u2 2 is equal to 1 by 4, and u1 2, u2 2 in u2 n plus 1, n equal to 1, u1 2 plus 500 plus 1000 plus u4 n, that is u4 1, and u1 2 is 1188 plus 500 plus 1000, u4 1, what is u4 1 is 438, so 438, so 1188 plus 500 plus 1000 plus 438 whole divided by 4 is equal to 782. Next, putting n equal to 1 in this, in u3 you will get 2000 plus u4 1 plus u1 2, putting n equal to 1 plus 500. Okay, so you will get u4 1 is 438 plus u1 2 is 1188. This plus this plus this plus this whole divided by 4 is 1032. And last equation is putting n equal to 1 in the last equation in the Gauss-Seidel system. So u4 2 is equal to 1 by 4, u3 2 plus 0 plus u2 2 plus 0. Okay, so substituting for u3 2, what is u3 2 is 1032 plus 0 plus u2 2, what is u2 2 is 782. So 1032 plus 0 plus 782 plus 0 whole divided by 4 is 454. So for n equal to 1, second approximation of the solution is u1 is equal to 1188, u2 782, u3 1032, u4 454. That means second approximated temperature at u1 is 1188, second approximated temperature at u2 is 782, second approximated temperature at u3 is 1032, second approximated temperature at u4 is 454. So this is how we calculate by Gauss-Seidel method. Similarly, putting n equal to 2 in the Gauss-Seidel system, we have u1 3, u2 3, u3 3, u4 3. Putting n equal to 3 in the Gauss-Seidel system, we have 4th iterations. Putting n equal to 4 in the Gauss-Seidel, we have 5th iteration. Okay, so in this 4th iteration and 5th iteration are almost same. Therefore, u1 equal to 1208, u2 equal to 791.8, u3 equal to 1041.5, u4 equal to 458.25. This is how we discuss the Laplace's equation by Jacobi's method and Gauss-Seidel method. Thank you.